Step up SIP or lump sum, which is better? What should you ideally prefer? Step up SIP or lump sum? To help you answer such investment quests, we have our financial expert Mr. Hariharan with us. Hariharan, could you please elaborate more on this?
I think theoretically on paper, SIP plus lump sum is the best. But the challenge is, uh, do I do the lump sum on time? Because the timing is important and critical, and that is where people fail to execute it. Therefore, from an operational perspective, I think SIP top up works well unless you are a very clear investor that you know that the moment the market is corrected, you feel it's a significant correction, you have the discipline to put in a lump sum. I think again, ideally it is SIP plus a lump sum works very well, but practically I don't know if it is executable. Not many investors are able to do that. Therefore, it's a very subjective question. To play safe, SIP top up works well.
Thanks for your detailed answer.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.